If you're like us and love to travel but don't have an unlimited budget or unlimited time to take a grand excursion every other week, what do? Well, for my birthday, Kate surprised me with something, and I want to share it with you guys because I think it's a great idea if you like to have adventures but you just don't have a lot of time or you just don't have a lot of budget. This is what she came up with, a mini adventure date jar. So inside this jar are date themes or adventure themes based around travel. So there are 37 different ideas in this jar. 37 because she gave this to me as a birthday present. I turned 37, hence 37 ideas. But you can put as many or as little as you want to it. And if you have a partner that you're traveling with, you both can add your own ideas into it so you both are surprised. But for this series, we're just gonna go through her adventure dates one by one and see what we can make based on the theme that we draw. So Kate and I have the afternoon to ourselves and we want to go do something. So it seems like a good opportunity to draw something out of here and see where it takes us. So our first mini date adventure is going to be finding a waterfall, which is going to be interesting considering we are in the middle of Iowa. But that's what the card says, so let's get on the road, see what we can find. There you go. Including our ice cream, our entire day cost us just under $15. And if you'd like to see what our next mini adventure date will be, make sure to subscribe so you can see what idea we draw next.